welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be potting up this cute little Volkswagen. So story time. This used to be blue and it was looking kind of rough, so I spray painted it, and then for the windows I had to use acrylic blue and the silver as well, and the tires. So everything was looking really well until I spray painted it with glossy paint in order to seal the acrylic paint, which I've done before and it's perfectly fine, but for some reason I got the crackle effect. It crackled on me, but you know what? I think it ages it and it gives it a neat look. So I'll post a picture right here on what it used to look like. And that's what it used to look like. I love the red, so I'm really excited about that. But yeah, so let's pot it up. I have some plants here. This one I bought a while ago, as well as this one. This I propagated, and then these as well. I just trimmed those off. So I don't know if I'm gonna need one more. I feel like I do, but we'll see, because it's not a really big opening right here. Inside there is enough room for roots, but we'll see how it comes out together. It is pretty cool here today. It's in the 60s and there is breeze, so with the breeze it feels cooler. So yeah. Okay, so let's see what I want to do. I think I want this one. I know that I want it in the front. This is an Agavoides. So this arrangement here, only because to give it time to establish roots. When the rainy season comes, I probably will move it inside the greenhouse, only because I don't think that by then, I'm not sure, you know, I don't know if by then it'll be considered established roots. The rainy season will start, even though in the past here during spring we've gotten lots and lots of rain. So yeah, definitely spring's around the corner, so I definitely won't let this get all that rain from spring. Okay, so I like to make sure that against the wall here there is soil for when I place it like this. So we'll just have to see here. Okay. And the roots will always make their way down to the soil. So it's just like where it's laying against. I want soil right here where it's laying against. Like that. And I'm not, obviously, with an arrangement like this, I'm not looking for growth. If I want a growth, I just put it like in a big pot. Right? But not for these. And then, yeah, I don't know. Is this gonna fit in here? Like, how am I gonna put it? I don't know if it's gonna work. Maybe this one. What if it's like that? I think that looks cute. Going at an angle like that. Let's see if it works. I don't know the name of this Echeveria. I know it's an Echeveria, but I just don't know the name. I don't know if it's Echeveria. star. I don't know. So, but it's very prolific. It does give, it produces plenty of babies. Okay, so I said that I wanted it like going towards the front. So here I'll dig out a decent amount of soil, move it to the side, and let's see. Yeah, in the beginning when the paint started to crack, I really had to sit back and take a moment and accept it, because I was pretty upset because I put work into it, and then all of a sudden that happened. So I was like, oh no. So I need to put some soil back there. So because the plant is in the way, I take my finger and I guide the soil. I push it into all the openings that I see to make sure that it's surrounded by soil. Now I'm just making a little pocket for where I'm going to put the other plant. Okay, so I'm going to put this one I want to be able to tuck it in more, actually. Okay, so I need to figure something else out. So I think I'm gonna like these here. I'll show you where. Okay, I'm definitely gonna like these here. They're gonna get pricked though by this guy. They'll survive. These have a lot of farina. They were over there getting lots of sun. It needs a little bit of soil back there. Can't really see, I don't have a good angle here. Use this to like Make a little space in there. Oh, that looks cute. I just need something else right here. What can I put in there? Let me go look real quick, guys. So I got this beautiful Koi that I propagated as well. I'm gonna put her over here. I'll have to find the name of this Koi. There's so many different types of Kois. Well, I think for many of them, actually. So many varieties of all. I don't know if I'll be able to get it in there easily. Okay, that looks good. Now I gotta just push in some soil in there. I forgot, that I can just move this. Hold on. Okay. Let's see. Super cute. Super cute, guys. I'm gonna go put it in its spot and then show you guys what it looks like. Hey guys, so this is gonna be its new spot. I think it's super cute, even though the paint crackled on me. But they sell crackled paint to make things look vintage, so there you go. It just gave it some character. Enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You have a blessed day, guys. Bye.